The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending energy since the crypto market decline in May 2022. The ALGO token was exchanging around 77 cents when the land disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost pointedly tumbled to 37 cents in a couple of days. After some solidification, the cost additionally tumbled to 27 cents that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of 35 cents and 15 cents. According to our Algorand cost expectation, the coin will carve out opportunity to recuperate from this defeat before it can turn beneficial. What is Algorand? Algorand, a potential blockchain stage, gives lightning-quick exchanges by overwhelming the intricacies of decentralization. Algorand organization was rejuvenated by Silvio Micali and his group of driving cryptographers, software engineering specialists, mathematicians, and market analysts zeroed in on creating tech that will engage clients to prevail in the exciting modern lifestyle. It was seen that coins like Ethereum were not completely adaptable. Consequently, they instituted the advantage of utilizing evidence of stake sidechains associated with the root chain. Here, every single individual chain manages its autonomous blockchain framework with its agreement system and block validators, and make more kid chains of its own. Algorand, the ALGO token. Algorand Organizations Group has delivered interface libraries that will be a trailblazer. The organization likewise brought an extraordinary token ALGO that is currently a significant hit at the famous trades coordinating the speed with other digital currency. Vantage ALGO, the tremendous potential. For installments, coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point in any place, and the check of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments with the least expenses. Algorand's brilliant agreements are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be sure that the program ran without mistake and the outcomes were not altered. They are incorporated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, certainty, security, and cost adequacy. Algorand can naturally authorize custom principles and rationale, from essentially characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. Algorand are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language and Python, a Python language restricting. ALGO coin is a cryptographic money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary standards, and DeFi. Algorand fortified gaming networks by securing their presentation and handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will generally send and get installments in their ideal money. The strength of Algorand lies in its system, and it is an open-source blockchain network, meaning the ALGO token's record is freely accessible. Sparkle Money will before long coordinate the Algorand DeFi biological system with Solana according to their declaration to give upgraded interoperability in the blockchain. This will ensure that merchants that are utilizing Sparkle can share their advanced tokens to Layer 1 blockchain from Algorand. Furthermore, that is not the end. Algorand has held hands with a ton of other enormous organizations, like LimeWire, NJ, NY Gotham FC, HipJump Craftsman DMC, Symbol, and some more. Each of this shows the strength and soundness of the Algorand blockchain, and its reception will help the symbolic cost. The ongoing cost of Algorand waits around 23 cents with a market capitalization of $1,717,242,017 with a coursing supply of 7,199,412,738 ALGO. The Algorand People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, driving a change in any case. Sell Algorand at the opposition level and purchase Algorand at the help level. This technique can assist financial backers with making a momentary benefit. Before we start our Algorand cost forecast, how about we concentrate on the value history of the token? Toward the finish of 2019, the Algorand cost exchanged around 25 cents, while in only 2 months, the ALGO cost shot up to 49 cents. Later in 2020, ALGO cost denoted a lofty fall during the walk crash, and afterward, it recovered its lost energy. The cost again went to 66 cents in the following 5 months. At last, after some promising and less promising times, the ALGO token contacted the $1 mark. Financial backers began booking their benefits at the $1.70 mark, and the offering prompted a cost fall. After some union, the cost came to $2.37 toward the finish of 2021, where we again saw a specific selling. The ALGO value attempted to arrive at a similar level again threefold, however fizzled. Before the cost could recapture force, the whole crypto market saw an accident, and from that point forward, the Algorand coin has been battling to start the upswing. A habitually noticed quality of Algorand projection is that it has shown the most flighty and fluctuating conduct like other digital forms of money. The brain research of clients extraordinarily drives the crypto market feelings. Remembering this, underneath are the Algorand cost expectations for coming years. Algorand Value Forecast 2023 as per Algorand Forecast 2023. With any progressions in approaches and guidelines, Algorand may have its portion of foggy days at its cost showing some opposition. According to our Algorand cost estimate, the coin could cruise smoothly around 35 cents with a most extreme cost of 50 cents and least cost of 20 cents, making it not fall in cost but rather play reliably. Algorand Value Expectation 2024 in the event that Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and basics. The ALGO coin could reflect huge development in the impending years. It wouldn't be a distortion to find that Algorand's cost will scale to a pinnacle of 65 cents, which is plus 170.83% to the most recent costs. Sometime, however, the equivalent can't be known as an exceptionally exaggerated and light reach. In view of the Algorand expectation, the base cost for the year may be 45 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. Algorand has proactively embraced the POS component and hence has tremendous development anticipated in the forthcoming years. The future value energy is really splendid for Algorand. In light of our Algorand cost estimate, a drawn-out increment is normal, and ALGO exchange is green for the period. The cost could come to the 97 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand Value Expectation 2026. Having seen a gigantic DApp reception in the past push the cost of Algorand, the organization is very well known, with various ventures based on it. Given the progressions are kept up with, the Algorand cost can be anticipated to take off to a greatest cost of $1.05, which is plus 337.5% of the Algorand cost today. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. With organizations and local areas subsidizing, the business sector's glance back at Algorand is supposed to perform, arriving at a cost level close $1.25, which is plus 420% contrasted with the ongoing cost. This is a seriously hopeful Algorand estimate, yet doubtlessly possible instead of expressing that the cost will arrive at the moon. According to our Algorand cost forecasts, the base cost of the coin might be around 90 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2028. In light of the expectations, the ALGO coin might have a base cost of $1 with a most extreme cost of $1.50 for the year 2028. Simultaneously, the typical cost of the token is supposed to be around $1.25 in view of our ALGO estimate. Algorand Value Expectation 2029. In 2029, the ALGO coin is supposed to exchange a scope of $1.50 to $1.90, where the previous is the least cost and the last option is the most extreme cost. Simultaneously, our Algorand cost expectation proposes that the typical cost of the token might be $1.70 all year long. Algorand Value Expectation 2030. As per Algorand Cost Expectation 2030, the Guaj crypto cost will exchange above $2 by 2030. The ALGO coin will ascend to $2.50 by December 2030, addressing an enormous upswing of plus 733% to the ongoing cost. As per our drawn-out ALGO cost forecast, the token is definitely not a wise venture decision. With a 5-year venture, your ongoing speculation might be debased. The